Hi, I'm Lucy. I'm a computer science student at the University of Washington, and I do research in accessibility and human-computer interaction. Basically, I work on making technology more accessible to people with disabilities.
When we look at an object in the real world, how do we describe it to someone else? If I place an order for a cake, I might describe to the chef that I want a 2-layer chocolate cake with rainbow sprinkles. My friend might order a 3-layered vanilla cake with strawberries on top. Both cakes, but different. These descriptions or characteristics are what we call attributes. We represent these attributes as instance variables in Java. Instance variables are variables defined in a class where each variable represents an attribute of an object. In this case, we create a cake class and declare instance variables to represent a cake's layers, flavor, and toppings. When we create a cake object, it will get its own copy of these instance variables so we can assign specific values for the cake. For example, we could assign the value 2 to layers, the value chocolate to flavor, and the value sprinkles to topping. When we create a class, we decide what attributes we want the instance variables to represent. For example, if we created a student class, we might declare instance variables for the student's name, age, and grade level. When we create a student object, the object then gets its own copy of the instance variables that are initialized for the values we specify. All students, but each with their own attributes, their own instance variables. Using instance variables, we can store attributes for each object we create.